So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng GO59 for students sa ating GlobeSim. But first, kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. And dito guys, dial lang natin is asterisk 143 number sign or hashtag, and then call. And after yun guys, piliin naman natin dito yung number 5 which is yung go. So type natin yung number 5 and then send. So ayan guys, hanapin nyo lang dito yung GO59 for students. So nasa number 2 siya. So type natin yung number 2 and then send. So, ayan guys, sabi dito kapag nag-register tayo ng GO59 for students, makakuha tayo ng 5 GB na data for all sites. 1 GB na data para sa Go Learn and Work na apps. Plus, meron pa siyang free guys na 1 GB of 5G. And hindi lang siya guys data, meron din siyang kasamang unlimited all-net text for 3 days for only 59 pesos. So, sulit na sulit to guys para sa mga students kasi 3 days na siya for only 59 pesos. So, para subscribe, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng GO59 for students sa ating GlobeSim. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life